But you went to the dealership in LA, the Dodge dealership, and you saw this. I'm sure you saw like the Coronets and stuff like that, and they probably tried to sell you on a big car or something like that. But you saw a 68 Charger, but it wasn't this color. And you looked through the little booklet, found the color you wanted,
Exactly.
and then black brown top, black interior. And it was like, I gotta have the big engine. I want the 440.
Yeah.
I want the automatic. And you spec'd all that out.
Yeah.
And then how long after that did it come to you? Roughly, do you remember?
It wasn't that long. I think it was only maybe a month or two, something like that. It wasn't a real long time.
Yeah.
You know, when I was driving a 58 Dodge Coronet at the time, that wasn't reliable at all, and it had, I don't know the name, that underneath, if I started off too fast, the front end would come up and go down.
Oh, or the shocks bad or something?
Yeah.
The suspension was toast?
Yeah, it was terrible. But,
that was a big upgrade.
yeah, so then we got this, you know, so. But anyway, you know, I'm glad that he takes such good care of it.
Did you ever street race it or anything?
He does.
Yeah, but did you? I mean, you got that big engine and stuff. Anyway, that's what I thought. A couple times, huh?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah.
I never challenged somebody, but if somebody was to challenge me,
Yeah.
then I would for a little bit, but not like.
Not crazy, yeah. Yeah, because these engines were 375 for us. Also, you chose not to have a stripe on the back. You didn't want the stripe.
No, I didn't want to try.
You want just just like this. It's so clean. It is.
I know. I just kind of like.
It's such an awesome car. You know, you had to feel like a badass, like ordering it brand new and driving it. Like it's just everything. Like the highways, everything is just.
It got looks.
It did?
Yeah, it got looks.
Yeah. No, this thing's wild. This thing's wild. But you well enjoyed it by then.
Oh, yeah.
117,000 miles.
And it wasn't reliable for me to drive back and forth to work anymore because I got stuck on it a
Yeah.
couple times. And I thought, okay, we don't want to get rid of it. So
Yeah.
we just gave it to